Corvette time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking C7 to check out. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. 23,942 on the odometer right now. Of course, the 6.2 liter supercharged LT4 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see paint shows well on it, and a lot of that is due to the fact it does have a front end film protecting it. I don't know if you can really see the line much. Nicely applied. Crystal red tint coat with Kalahari interior. Check out all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. Be able to check out all the still pics, see the underside, every angle. You can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome wheels, of course, the big brakes behind those wheels. Z06 badging. This car does show as well in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches, nothing major. Of course, bucket seats. Trimmed in leather, two-tone interior. Now, if you want to check out exactly how this car is equipped, I have a picture of the RPO sticker in with the still pictures. It's going to tell you exactly how this car was built. And again, Unique Classic Cars is where you can check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the center dump exhaust on the back. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a quick spin, show you how it goes down the road, as well as put the top up. It is a Kalahari color match top to highlight the interior. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. I'll show you how the top functions. We'll also check out the condition of it. If you're into Corvettes, you like this late model, high horsepower stuff, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you will see come through Unique Classic Cars. A little bit of everything. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have, from memory seating to the power windows, power locks. This one has the Bose system, dual power seats, of course, heads-up display, steering wheel controls, all the electronic goodies that you're also going to have. Take a look at conditions of seats. No surprises there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the exact miles, 23,942. All right, and as you can see, no check engine lights, service engine, warning indicators of any kind. The infotainment system, heated and ventilated seats, again, all the goodies. If you want to check out exactly how it's equipped, look in those still pictures, you'll see the RPO codes. It's really the easiest way to do it. I would be going on and on and on forever with the list of options that this car has. Rather listen to it. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end. We're going to take it for a drive. Good look at the underside of the hood. Very clean. You can tell this thing has not been driven in inclement weather. In the trunk, you're going to notice in the still pictures, it'll come with, I believe there's like a fix-a flat kit, and then there's also the Corvette trickle charger, battery upkeep, and a license plate bracket for the front of the car. You don't have to screw holes or anything into the fascia. That's in the trunk. And here it is underneath the hood. There's that LT4 supercharged 6.2 liter V8. Again, paired up with the automatic transmission option, 8-speed. Of course, the dry sump oil system. Fun cars to drive. A lot of performance and bang for the buck. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 convertible. Clean Carfax. Confirmed miles. No accidents indicated. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, top functions as it should. And like the rest of this car, great condition. Good looking color combination. No rips, tears, holes, really much of any wear at all. Glass rear window, rear defrost. You can see the side glass fits nice and snug as it should. Round on the passenger side. Again, no surprises. What you'd expect. And I'll quick show you the top going down, and then like I said, we'll take this thing for a quick spin. All right, we're going to put the top down a little differently on this one. We're going to use the key fob, which is push lock, push unlock, and hold the top down button. There you go. Let's take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, which is of course supercharged. One of the best Corvettes in my opinion. Looks great, handles great, tons of power. This is an automatic right here in the center console. You can also switch it to manual and have fun with the paddles. I'm just going to show you automatic today. Amazing acceleration. Brakes loose if you want it to. Great acceleration if you just take it a little easy on that pedal, you won't spin. Factory stereo sounds great. All our gauges are working. We've got digital gauges as well as a couple with needles to make everybody happy. Heads-up display showing me my tach, my speedometer, awesome leather bucket seats. This great color combo with the kind of a saddle brown mixed with the black and what I would call a fiery red burgundy outside color. Very nice. And this car has the greatest exhaust note I think I've heard on a modern Corvette. Just tap it a little bit and you get a little rasp. Don't do it on a corner when you're in gear, I'll say that much. And this is a convertible, and we do have the top down. why you can hear it sounding so great. Just an amazing Corvette from 2015. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.